We're getting our 2014 Silverado ready for its state inspection, and we need to put one of the marker light bulbs in the front here. It looks like it's a bit of a chore to do. We've never done this before, so well, I'll take you along and we'll figure it out together, I guess. Here's the bulbs we bought. They're Sylvania Long Life, part number 7443. They'd be a twin filament bulb, one for the marker lights and one's for the turn signals. So if you were trying to get the whole headlight assembly out on these vehicles, it's a bit of work. You have to take this shroud off to get at a couple of the bolts. Then you have to take this valance out, crawl underneath, and there's some tabs under there to release, and then this will pop off. And that will allow you to get at the bolts for the grill. Then the grill has to come out. Once that's out, you will find that you can access the 4 bolts to pull the whole headlight assembly out. So it's a bit of a chore. It's not a ton of work from what I've seen online, but it'll take you a little bit of time. Luckily for us, we don't need to do that today. We just have to get at the bulbs. And on this vehicle, if you are coming in on the driver's side, you can get at them. Let me get a light here so we can see what we're doing. So on the driver's side, to get the bulbs out, you just have to take this cover off here. It twists and comes off, and then the bulb will be right underneath it. And then there's the exact same thing down lower for the high beam bulb. Now the marker lights, that's a different story here. Let me move the camera. So to remove the marker lights, you have to go through this hole here in your fender, reach forward to get them. I don't think I can film that. It's going to be tough to get in there, but we'll do what we can. But mind you, ours aren't on the driver's side, ours are on the passenger side. And that's, again, makes it even more difficult. We've got the airbox in the way. So I guess our first thing to do here is to remove the airbox. So we started by loosening this hose clamp here. Next we'll pop this wire off. There's a little clip here to pull up on first. And that should allow you to press that in. There we go. So that presses in and pulls out. Next, excuse me, we have a Christmas tree fastener down here holding this line on. I'll have to get that out of the way. There we go. We'll pop the cover off this as well. All right, let's get the 4 screws out of this airbox lid. Try not to drop them. We'll never find them if we do. But we dropped the bit. That'll be fun to get. Hang on. All right, we got it back. And where's the last one? That's a bit of a reach. Okay. filter. I think this just pops out. I think. There we go. All right. Now, trying to reach into the inner fender and film that at the same time is going to be a bit of a bear. So, well, we'll see how we can make out. Well, there's the bulb, but that was a bugger to get at. I don't know if you can see the marks on my arm or not, but boy, reaching in there, that was not easy. But probably still easier than taking the grill out and the whole headlight assembly out. So that bulb should just pull out of the socket. And the new one will press right in. Well, looks good. Well, now to reach our arm in there and put it back where it came from. That'll be another chore. So that went back together a little easier than it came apart. Anyways, if you have to do the headlight on this side, it's right here too. You just take this off. You can probably see through here. You can see the wires right through there. So same as the other side, except it's got this cover in the way. You pop that off with some fasteners there, and you'll be able to get at the headlight on this side as well. Headlights would be a lot easier than the marker lights, I think. Anyways, I'm just going to put the airbox back in, and we're pretty much done here. I know I wasn't able to show you a whole lot because you can't really get in there to see, but if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Always looking for more subscribers. Anyways, thanks for watching.